What up, what up? Man, just finished up a nice little back day. Finished off on the, a nice little M2 over there. Finished off on the bike, stationary bike. Man, I need to do more cardio. I'm feeling out of shape, dude. Muscular wise, I'm happy where I'm at, but cardio wise, I could use some work. But anyways, we're heading home. Let's get it. I'm out of breath, so sorry if I'm breathing heavy. Bro, what is going on here? Solid lift though, I must say. Big row day. Focused a lot on just mid, upper, and lower rows with cables and machine work. Not a lot of dumbbell or barbell because ooh, nice little S2K right here. I don't know, man. I just, like I said, taking care of my back, making sure my back doesn't get tweaked again. So. It's really starting to feel like fall. Really starting to feel like fall. A little rain, got leaves on the ground. It's my favorite time of fall before the leaves start getting mushy. It starts getting gross outside. Constantly wet, rainy. Still got daylight. Gotta stop by the pet store on the way home, pick up some dog food. Get some more treats for my girl. Who's that M2 again? M2 Comp, I think it is. I like it. I like the M2s, just yeah, not as much as the M4. If I'm getting a coupe, I mean the M2 comps are super clean, don't get me wrong. But I just like the body of the F82 more than the F87. I've debated on getting a G87. New M2s, you know, but I don't know, something's stopping me, something about the body style. If I'm gonna spend 70K on or more on an M2 G87, like why wouldn't I just spend the extra little bit to get a G80? Although the new G80s are well over 100K, so. But man, some of the individual colors on the new G80s, super clean. Verde Mantis. I'm trying to think of some others that I saw recently, but the Verde Mantis is super clean. That's a brand new G82. That's a 2025 or 2026. I don't know. Like, the G82s are cool. I'm not a big fan of. They did something with the rear windows. One day I guess I can point it out in a video, but if you're looking at, maybe I can post a clip here, honestly, or like a screenshot. What I'm saying, F82s versus G82s on the rear window, like the rear, like that rear window right there, not the rear windshield, but the window behind the, you know what I'm saying. It comes up at the bottom. I don't know why the manufacturers decided that was a good look, but they slanted up the bottom of the window. They slanted it up so it comes up at an angle, and I just think it looks so ugly. Somebody pointed it out one time in a video and I just couldn't stop thinking about it. And F82s don't have that. I don't think the G80s have it, but the G82s have it. So, and also the G90s have it for some reason. The new M5s and the M5 Tourings. Like, it's just one of those little designs that I'm just like, I don't know why they did it. Bugs me. It's also not something that you can really fix, I don't think. Sometimes you can tweak, like with aftermarket stuff, but like an Adro front bumper kit, for example. But I don't know, man. Still sick cars, obviously. But pretty sure that's a M5 right here. No, it's not. M550, I think. So, yeah, man. But that's the goal, I guess. Obviously, I don't have the funds for a G80 right now, or else I'd be in one. But we're gonna keep grinding, and we're gonna keep making videos and working hard at our 9 to 5 and making the dream come true once again. That's what it's all about. Holy. This little doggy's got a raincoat on. Cute. Nice X5M or X3M, I think that is. Yeah, clean. So anyways, I'm gonna get some chocolate milk from the store and some dog food, and I'm gonna call it a night. And again, man, appreciate you watching. Thank you for the support. You keep motivating me to, you know, follow my dream, which is content creation with automotive cars. That's okay though. That is okay. Parked next to the X4M, clean. Anyways, reverse this baby up a little bit. that's all for me. That is all for me. So, like I said, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for supporting the channel, making the dream come a reality. Got big news coming soon on video. I don't know when I'll post it, but it's coming in the next few days. So stay tuned. And as always, man, drive safe out there. Weather's getting nasty, so be alert, man. Be alert. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.